weather. So let's get started. There are 4 seasons. Do you know what seasons they are? Okay, let's know it. The first season is spring season and the summer season, the autumn fall season and the winter season. So let's learn what do we have in the seasons and what happens in the season. So let's get into the spring season. Oh look, we are in the spring season. Do you know what happens? Okay, I will tell you. In this season, the plants start growing and the days become longer and the night becomes short. You know what is meant by day becoming longer? We'll get to see the sun for a long time and moon for a less time. Now let's get into summer season. So in this season, we feel very hot outside and that's why we get summer vacation. What do you do in summer vacations? You play with your friends, right? I know. And what else happens in summer season? The plants grow. They keep growing big and that's when we get some fruits. You know what kind of fruits you get? For example, we get mango. And you know, right, our grannies make pickles. You like them? I like them. And that's what happens at summer season. And what type of clothes do you wear? Cotton. Why? Because you sweat a lot because it's hot. You wear cotton and it will absorb the sweat. Now let's get into the autumn season. You want to know what happens in autumn season? Yes, sure. The days start getting shorter and the night becomes longer. So we see sun for a lesser time than the moon. And what else happens? The plants shed their old leaves. The old leaves are going to be dead. So they shed them off and then they form seeds. And the seeds fall off to the soil and they start blooming again in the spring season. And you know what happens? It starts becoming cold before the winter. Now let's get into winter season. And you know what happens in this season? It's so cold. What do you do when it's cold? You use heaters. You only use hot water to drink and to bath, and also you wear sweaters, right? And that will keep you warm. The days become very shorter and the night becomes very long. So the sun we see for very less time and the moon for longer time. So now let's rewind all the seasons we learned. Yeah, shall we start? What's the first season you learned? The spring season, right? So first is the spring season, then the summer season, the autumn season, or also you can call the fall season, and the winter season. So these are the 4 seasons. Now let's learn the weather. Yeah, are you ready? So what are the kinds of weather? This is the cloudy weather. You say, how is the weather? What will you answer? It's cloudy. What happens in the sky if it is cloudy? It becomes black and you will see many clouds. Yes? Yeah, that's cloudy. What happens when it's rainy? It is rainy, right? The weather is rainy. And what happens? The water droplets start falling down from the clouds. And what happens when it's windy? You'll start flying off. Everything around you will start breezy and everything starts flying. That's the weather when you have to say it is windy. Now, what is the other kind of weather? Snowy. What do you do when it's snowy? You make snowballs, right? You make them into balls and you throw on each other. So that's when you also make snowman. Yes? So this is snowy weather. So these are the types of weathers. Now, let's learn the temperature. What is the temperature? When you hold an ice cube, you feel cold, right? You feel it very cool. And when you boil a water and touch it, it's hot. You feel hot. You will sense your skin hot. So these are the temperature. Cool temperature and a hot temperature. So did you understand today? Yes, you learned the seasons, the weather and the temperature. So that's for today. Thank you.